Hello everybody, Kimchi. My name is MC Kim and he's our chef Chi. So we are Kimchi. Hello, we are going back with another Korean Eat recipe. Woo! Today we are going to cook baked well-being samgyupsal. I think you guys watched it before, samgyupsal mukbang, and a lot of TV program also show this. And when we are watching in TV program, we also saw that twice eating samgyupsal in TV variety show. So we prepare about samgyupsal today. Before we are going to cook, let's watching twice mukbang. Did you guys watching very well about the twice mukbang? I think you guys also want to try to eat. We also. That's why we prepare today. First, we will use pork samgyupsal. I think that is pork belly, and we prepare 1 kilogram, but maybe we will not use all. And when we steam pork samgyupsal, we will use basil, and also we will use star anise, pepper, and bay leaf for the all remove pork smells. When we eat samgyupsal, of course, we must need also side dishes about the. When we eat pork samgyupsal only, you feel very oily. So we must prepare side dishes for the samgyupsal. That is green onion leaves. That makes you remove oily taste of pork. And also we need to make a sauce. We will use gochujang and vinegar, and also we will use salt and honey for making the green onion leaf sauce. So now we will going to start. Let's make. We are going to start cook. We must make boiling water with our herbs, with bay leaf and basil, anise. Maybe you will use 3 or 4, and pepper. We put whole pepper, not the grain, and full salt. Maybe you put 3 or 4 spoons and boiling water now. And now water is very boiling. You can see this steam. And now we put pork, because before we bake, we will steam pork. So that's why you can eat more healthy and more well-being. One person is better you eat 200 or 300. That was for 1 serving. we put 1 kilogram in here. I think this is for the 3 or 4 people. And we need to steam at least 30 minutes or 40 minutes. And now it's time to make green onion leaf salad. It is very important to cut it, so you must watching very carefully. You must try it same way with this. Now we finished to cut all of green onion leaves. So if you eat like this, very spicy, so you must put water for 5 or 10 minutes. And we will put water here. So we need to remove spicy taste. 생각해보니까 우리 프라이팬 저기다 두면 안 됐어. 고기 어떻게 구울 거야? So now we put off the meat, cause I think now this is very good. Very good steam now. And now we will cut butter. And now finally we bake samgyupsal, cause that is well being steamed. That's why before we bake we steam first. Before you bake samgyupsal, you must use strong fire because the meat already finished, so we just bake. and the meat will be like this. If the meat like this, that is already finished. Now the meat is all prepared, so we make a sauce. We'll make a sauce in cup first. First, you put 2 big spoons of gochujang. And 1 spoon of vinegar. And 1 spoon of honey. And put little salt. And pepper. It's good. If it's not good, you must put more honey or more vinegar. So now it's mixing too. Now this is time to mix salad with sauce. In Korean normal restaurant, always give this. If you go to Korea in barbecue restaurant, they put this. That is all finished. Now our cook is finished. Yes, here is samgyupsal we bake, and that is green onion leaves. It is very same to the video, right? So when you watch in video, they get 1 samgyupsal and put leaves here. And eat like this. That's why I love samgyeopsal. It's very, very delicious. The onion leaves make pork not oily. You try. It's very delicious. The taste like tabong. Tabong. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.